Namaskar. Welcome to Vandana's art class. Today we are going to paint a Bengal Alpona design on a silk cloth. So let's start. So we are going to draw a peacock and we'll draw the peacock's face, one face. First I'll draw the outline so that you all can draw with me the outline. Okay, and then we'll draw the feathers coming down. First, everybody should draw this much and then we will do the detailing. Okay, so I will paint this with dark red paint, but actual Alpna is always done on the floor with paste of white rice or the powder of rice, or sometimes they use the khadiya powder or chalk powder. But since I'm making on the paper cloth and students are making on the paper, we will draw like this. Same, whatever we have drawn here, we have to draw exactly same thing here. So I'm just looking at this side and I'm trying to draw same thing. Other solution is to draw one side, trace it on the tracing paper and then trace this side. I think that is the easy solution. We will get symmetry. See, children, I'm drawing side by side so that symmetry is same. Number of curves is same. In the center, I'm going to draw a lotus. Now, as we know, fabric when we paint, we have to keep few things down so that I'm keeping this box down here so that my frame is up. You know, this is in a wooden frame. Embroidery frame I have put. The advantage is now my cloth is tight and it will not get lines. So I will start from the center. On fabric, we should use very less paint. The reason is, if we will take too much paint, then it peels off. whatever we are drawing or painting on the left hand side or right hand side, same thing we will do on the other side. So friends, with this, our pattern is almost complete. I am just going to give some dots here and there. And with this, our pattern will be completed. Thank you for liking, subscribing, and sharing the news about my YouTube channel. Dhanyavad. Namaste.